Hey, good afternoon internet. So it's a really chilly Wednesday afternoon. I've got an impromptu half day off because I did some night working last week, and so I haven't got many hours available, but let's get this 600 engine out of the 400 in readiness for putting the 400 engine back in. So short intro because I want to crack on. Let's get going. Hey, sorry about that, internet. We ran out of space on the media card in the camera, so I've just had to go and download it all onto the computer so I can start again. It's missed a little bit because of the delay. It takes about half an hour, 40 minutes to get everything off the data card. So let's just have a look where we're up to. We're almost ready to get the engine out. I've got it back on its centre stand now. Because I need to remove, I'm at the stage now where everything else is off. I've disconnected the wiring, I've made good notes on where it goes. There's not much that goes directly to the engine though, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue this time. So these bottom frame bars on either side have got to be removed. Then we've got some main engine bolts, and then the whole thing will just drop out the bottom. So yeah, I'll have to get the little stand out, the little jack, and put it underneath to support it. But I'm just about to remove these side frame sections, these side lower frame sections. Everything HT wise is disconnected from the top. Obviously the radiator and the hoses have gone, all of that. So I've taken the front sprocket off, moved the chain out of the way. Yes, it's really just ready to get these off, and then we can drop the engine. So, you know, that's not bad for you know, a couple of hours work. I'm not going to get another one in today. I've got some stuff I need to do around the house, but at least we're ready for Saturday morning when I can put the engine straight back in and hopefully get it going. Okay, let's carry on. Great, thanks, sticking with me. Hey internet, so there we go, that's it for today. As I say, just a nice short video, something to get the teeth stuck into. Engine now nicely out of the frame. You know, it's a lovely job as well really. It's often a lot nicer to work on bikes that are slightly more modern than the older ones. I love the way in which the bottom section of the frame comes off on either side, and then you can just drop the engine out completely. It makes it such a better job. And if you think I've been able to do that whilst it's on its centre stand, you know, rather than on some sort of hydraulic platform that I haven't got. Anyway, so a couple of hours work, engine's out completely, ready for the 400 engine to go back in. We're going to be doing that Saturday morning, so you know, make sure you tune back in on Saturday afternoon to have a look at the video. We'll get it back in, we'll get the airbox back in, we'll, you know, the same pipes are going back on again, nice and standard. I reckon it's probably, well, I don't know, half a day's work for me to do it nicely, and then we'll see if we can get it going. Looking at the plug lead on the bike when I took it off, well, when I was unplugging them, I was thinking, these don't look right to me. So I don't know. Well, I'll check that when they go back on. So they just didn't look like they were on the right pistons, they're on the right plugs. So yeah, we'll have a look at that. So yeah, nice. Nice bit of work to do for the afternoon on my impromptu day off, half day off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry I missed a little bit in the middle. It's like I say, the media card got full and then just cut off, so I had to go and download everything. I carried on working whilst it was downloading. It takes, you know, quite a while for them to get onto the computer. So yeah, all good. That'll be built back up on Saturday, and we'll be ready to go. So maybe Sunday we'll be almost looking at thinking about taking it for its MOT. So yeah, brilliant. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. I know it's not been the Z550, but we're really liking the GPz400r. And with the 400 engine back in it, it should be a nice little bike. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you're liking the videos, and do remember to click the little bell icon, and then you'll get a notification every time I upload new content. And I do once or twice a week, every week. So yeah. Also, drop any comments in the section below. I would love to hear what you think. So yeah, GPz400r day today, and build back up on Saturday. So join me then. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.